Hello friends, refractive error is the most common reason for blurry vision. Normally we see very clearly, but sometimes vision is blurry. So to see clearly, child usually keeps the eye partially closed or keep the objects at a very near to the eye or see the TV at a very close distance. We should encourage the child to compare the vision for distance in right and left eye by closing one eye. There is squinting of the eye and headache is also a common complaint of refractive error. Usually, refractive error is diagnosed in the preschool screening camp or by optometrist or if you visit ophthalmic surgeon. Let us understand the types of refractive error and the treatment. Emmetropia, myopia and hypermetropia. Emmetropia is a normal eye. If you have observed, the distance object is very clear. So because the rays are focused well onto retina. Same way the near object is also very clear because the rays are again focused onto the retina. So in normal eye, the distance and near both rays are focused well onto the retina, so we do not require any glasses. Well, in case of myopia, it is called nearsightedness. The near object is clear, but the distance is blurry and see with the difficulty. The rays from the distant object is focused in front of the retina, rather it should have focused in onto the retina. This happens because the curvature of the cornea is too steep or the power of the lens is too strong. So, in some cases, the nearsighted is also because of the progressive elongation of the eyeball, particularly in teenage. So, the treatment part is by giving the minus power or concave glasses in front of the eye so that the rays are well focused onto the retina. Well, in case of hypermetropia, is a far-sightedness. Far object is clear, but the near object looks blurry. The focal point is behind the retina. The parallel rays are focused behind the retina, so the close object looks blurry. We can treat the hypermetropia by convex or plus power glasses. So the rays are convergent, more convergent, and the rays which were going behind can be focused on the retina by putting plus power or convex glasses in front of the eye in the form of contact lens or glasses. Let us understand astigmatism or cross number. In our eye, cornea plays very important role for refraction. It is usually in the vertical and the horizontal curvature in a round shape. So it is a football shape. In astigmatism, it becomes a rugby shape or oval shape. So the parallel rays of light are not focused onto a single point focal, but it forms a 2 or 3 focal point. It is known as the astigmatism or a cross number. The cornea is transparent layer which plays a very important role in astigmatism. Now let us understand presbyopia. Our young lens is so flexible, so powerful that rays are well focused onto retina. But as the age advances, the power of the lens becomes less because of the weakness of the ciliary muscles and stiffness of the lens. So near object like seeing a menu or reading a newspaper or seeing mobile at a near distance becomes blurry. Initially this can be handled by keeping the object at a little distance or making the lights on. Now let us understand the treatment part. What are the options available we have? For correcting the refractive error, we are having glasses, contact lenses, laser refractive surgery, and implantable contact lenses. The glasses which are traditionally prescribed are the gold standard oldest method of treating the refractive error, particularly for the child age group and teenagers. But if you don't want to wear the glasses for your reason, then contact lens are the solution. It is a temporary one. For the mild to moderate kind of refractive error, the laser refractive procedures are the options as a permanent solution. In moderate to high error, implantable contact lens are implanted inside the eye, in front of the lens behind the iris. It sits inside. So the refractive error is corrected. I hope that you like this video. I am the Dr. Anil Patel, your personal eye caretaker. Thank you so much and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.